On the road to reopening, and today the governor announced it will happen this month and could happen as soon as June 21st. That's when Oregon expects 70% of adults will have at least one COVID shot.
You just heard her say 127,000 more people need to roll up their sleeve to reopen everything from restaurants to gyms. Our Lisa Balick was in on the governor's news conference today asking questions about what's ahead. Lisa.
You know, this is the first time we're finally hearing a date from the governor as to when most COVID restrictions will disappear here in Oregon, including masks in most cases.
4th of July barbecues, eating popcorn in a movie theater again, getting a beer after work at the local brewery with your friends.
Oregon Governor Kate Brown running through a list of joyful events just ahead, expecting enough Oregonians vaccinated in the next couple of weeks to fully reopen the economy, allowing crowds once again in bars, restaurants, gyms, stadiums, movie theaters.
The data clearly show that if you are fully vaccinated, you can begin to put the pandemic behind you. You can have confidence that a get-together with friends, a family celebration at a restaurant, or a day at work alongside others won't put you at high risk to contract or pass COVID-19.
A big part of this, getting rid of the mask mandate for everyone, vaccinated or not, except at airports, public transit, and healthcare settings. But a warning today to keep the mask on if you're not fully vaccinated, including kids who can't yet get a shot, as COVID is still very much a threat.
We've had 98 deaths, unfortunately, in our hospital system. 97 of those were unvaccinated.
Statewide, 98% of COVID cases between March and May were in unvaccinated Oregonians or those not fully vaccinated. The governor told me more state and local incentives are coming to get people vaccinated. I asked whether the lure of a $1 million prize already announced is getting more people to show up for a shot.
What the data is showing regarding our Take Your Shot campaign is that we are seeing some communities in rural Oregon showing a slight uptick in terms of vaccination and rates.
Once Oregon gets to 70% of adults with a first dose, that still means hundreds of thousands of Oregonians will still be unprotected from a preventable disease. Now, as for kids, she was asked about what's going to happen with school in the fall. She does expect everyone to be back in school full-time in the fall, but she says at this point there's no plan to require a COVID shot. Again, remember, a lot of kids, those under 12, can't even get a shot yet. And as far as the issue of masks in school in the fall, that is right now a question mark. Back to you.